Okay, off you go. So we're testing the Action 6 in low light. At the moment we're in D-Log M, 30 frames per second. Just normal video mode, not low light mode. I'm holding it in my hand just now, but most of what you'll see will be POV, stuck on my chest with the snap mount. How's it looking? Looking fine on the screen, to be fair. 16:9. None of this floating gate piss yet, just normal video. Winter has arrived in autumn. I was going to get on my mountain bike and ride around tonight, however, I don't want to get it all wet and mucky. So if I'm riding my bike, this is how it's going to be. Head torch on and on my chest. Looking at the trees here, that's what I'm paying attention to. Are they staying in focus or sharp, or do they go blurry? Of course, I'm such a smooth mountain biker that it would be buttery smooth footage anyway. Well, it's beautiful weather. It's only 11:15 at night and there's no one else around. Got the place to myself, can't understand it. Oh, what's going on here? The screen couldn't decide whether it was bright or dark. See, is that coming through on there? That's really annoying if that is the case. This is in low light mode. Let's put this in normal mode. It seems alright in normal video. The low light mode was flashing as if the auto white balance couldn't make up its mind what it was doing. Interesting. So back in Supernight mode. I keep calling it low light mode. Yeah, see that? Exposure suddenly changes. Doof. Doof. Don't like that. Right. Okay, get up. Up, 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 up. Good boy. Oh, he's clever. Oh, he's so clever. Aren't he? He's so clever. Yes, he is. He's clever boy. Come here. Get up. Up, 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 up. Good boy. Okay, get up. Up, 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 up. Come on in. Oh, he's so clever. He's so clever. I'm wondering if you can see Elgin Cathedral. Is that screen changing brightness again? It is. And do we have trumpet flares? Oh, look at that. Yes, we do. Yes, we do. Okay, we've switched over to F4 and see if we get starburst. Oh yes, we do. We do. This is a normal mode. I don't think you can do it in the night mode, super night mode. Okay, super night mode with starburst F4 aperture. Are you seeing a starburst? Oh yes, look at that. But also look at the varying. Oh, that's bad. Unusable. Unusable. Gonna have to sort that out, DJI. That's terrible. Right, Ozzy here. Already at this bit, the wind was just too bad, and anything I said, and I can't really remember what I was saying, but it was just lost to wind noise. I've tried recovering it with noise reduction and voice enhancement, but nah, it's gone. So I'm just trying to show you what it'd be like in the middle of a forest with just a head torch. And it's not a very bright head torch, but this is in your normal video mode with f2 to f4 aperture. Just seeing how jittery things are. I don't think it's too bad actually. In this bit it's not too bad. Quite sad when you think. I used to plan my day around play parks. And this play park was way better in them days. But the boys I used to take to those play parks are now way bigger than me. And I'm 6'3" and 18 stone. One of them's away to Australia soon. Going to see him next week. That'll be for the last time for a couple of years at least. Sad times. Pretty big hailstones, isn't it? Big hailstones on me. Yes. Okay, let's go then. Let's go.